At the Honda Alabama auto plant, over 4,500 skilled associates bring the all-new 2026 Honda Passport to life with precision and innovation. This state-of-the-art facility has been producing Honda's light trucks for over 20 years, using advanced manufacturing techniques to ensure quality and efficiency. Each Passport starts its journey on a highly automated production line, where new assembly processes streamline efficiency. For the first time, Honda has introduced a front-end module system, allowing associates to step inside the engine bay for easier installation of key components, improving both quality and ergonomics. Innovative tools assist in precision assembly, such as ultrasonic welders for flush-mounted parking sensors and high-torque DC tools for securing critical recovery hooks. These hooks, a world-first patented design, are engineered for durability and safety. Heavy-duty steel skid plates, capable of withstanding the full weight of the vehicle, are installed to protect essential components like the oil pan and transmission. Meanwhile, a stronger lift assist system ensures precise installation of the second-row seat, which plays a crucial role in crash protection. At the engine plant, Honda associates assembled the powerful 3.5-liter V6 engine, built for both performance and reliability. The 10-speed automatic transmission, produced at Honda's Georgia plant, is then seamlessly integrated into the vehicle. Through a unique, one-floor collaboration, R&D, manufacturing, and purchasing teams work together to refine every detail, making the production process more efficient while enhancing build quality. With decades of experience and cutting-edge technology, the Honda Alabama auto plant continues to set new standards in automotive manufacturing, delivering the rugged and refined 2026 Honda Passport to drivers worldwide.